In this video, I'm going to show you how to take objects created in Tinkercad and import them into Unity. So the first thing we have to do is get the object out of Tinkercad. In order to do that, we have to export it. So we are exporting an OBJ file. Make sure that this says everything in design, otherwise you're only exporting one little piece. So export OBJ, and we're going to have a file down in the bottom left here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open that file. Now you'll notice that this file is actually a zip file. Before we can use it in Unity, before we can use it for anything, we have to extract it first. To do that, what we have to do is click Extract All. So if you don't see Extract All, what you have to do is click on Compressed Folder Tools, which is right here. Click on Compressed Folder Tools, click Extract All. And it's going to ask you a question. Do you want to put it here? You click Extract. Once that's done, I'm actually going to open up Unity. I'm going to bring Unity down, double click to minimize it to make it a window, then drag it down. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take these two files. I'm going to highlight both. There's two ways to highlight. You can either do a selection box, or you can click on the first one, hold shift, click on the second one. Once they're both highlighted, I'm actually just going to drag them and drop them right into Unity, right into the assets folder here. So underneath project, you're going to see the assets right inside there. I'm just going to drop this file, and you're going to see Tinker and OBJ. So I can close this now. I don't need it anymore. So what I'm going to do is drag my Tinker file right into my world. Okay. Now what I can do is up in the top left, I can rotate using the tool here, the rotation tool. I can rotate it. I can move it using the move tool, and I can scale it using the scale tool. Okay, change its size. One thing that you'll want to learn how to do is make it so you can actually hit the house. Right now, if I put my character in the scene, he could run right through the house, so nothing would happen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add what's called a mesh collider. So underneath Tinker 1 here, I'm going to go Add Component. I'm actually just going to type in Mesh, and the first thing that comes up is the Mesh Collider. So I double click on that, and that's it. I have a Mesh Collider for all my areas. Okay, that's all you need to know. Thanks for watching.